Buffalo.
That thing looks incredible. Oh my God, look at it. It's all the way down.
Northeast, a severe thunderstorm warning now for southern Harford County, Buffalo, Bay, Selman would be in line for this southern storm.
Yeah.
The northern storm, excuse me, as it moves into
Looking
southern
good?
Harford County.
Yeah.
However, our attention now is being drawn to the southern portions of
We got some amazing stuff here. Stop sign. I'm looking. Look both ways, Ken. No, Reed, slow them down.
Ellis County from Harmon to Arnett to Highway 283 north of Shattuck.
Stay focused on the video.
Harmon to Arnett, north of Shattuck to Gage to Fargo, all in line for this storm. Also, the western portions of Woodford
You got it?
County.
Yes, I've got it.
Western portions of Woodford County.
Remember, every now and then you go, okay, don't worry about fixing anything, but every now and then it doesn't look focused. There it is.
For this second
We're going to get right up next to it.
See if we can get Brian or someone to talk to that Ellis County Emergency Manager.
Got it?
Yeah,
I got it. You got the zoom button?
Yeah,
I'm zooming way in.
So see if we can.
Okay, zoom way out. It's a beautiful tornado, Joel. Don't zoom way out, but.
Okay. On that storm,
stay on it.
Which is due south of Podunk, 6 miles or so.
Stay on it.
We do have a report from the Raymond Ranch.
Holy shit, okay, how's the record? Don't worry about it. I got it under control.
Stop up here on this hill.
Okay, I got it. How's the record?
It's good. We're good.
We're going to get it hitting these trees.
West of our
Reed, stop.
We're okay, Joel. Don't worry about it.
60 East-West Highway as it joins up with 283 going north.
Look at that. Zoom up. Get up there, Joel. Get up.
And I
the whole
hate
thing.
to, use the word podunk without
Hey, now get down.
Reed, fucking stop.
We're okay. Okay, it's right here. Get ready.
Back up.
Okay.
Podunk is that intersection.
All right, hand me the camera. Unplug it and hand it to me. Okay, stop. Okay, we gotta go. Wow. Turn off the windshield wipers. Turn off the wipers.
And
don't get in an accident.
Arnett is in the path of that storm. It's now 4 miles. That would put the core of the storm very potentially dangerous area within
stop. We're good.
10 miles from Arnett.
Don't go! Jesus Christ!
It's moving to the northeast at about 30 miles.
Shut your door.
Thank you very much.
Shut your door. Okay, go. Back up. Back up.
Coming, however, we do not want you out of
We're okay.
We're okay. Our spotters on the ground, emergency management directors that are trained spotters on the ground. We do not want you to be out looking at this storm, a dangerous storm, potentially hazardous storm in the South Ellis County area now. Highway 283, that would be Arnett, and to the west, moving away from the Lake Vincent area to the northeast. That would put it between Arnett and
hold on.
283. Hold on. Moves to the northeast. Gage, as I say once again, you're in line for this.
Hold on.
Fargo is in line for the storm. Tangier in the Fort Supply area, and I will tell you the northern storm. Once again, remember that the National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Harford County.
You turn the record off?
Storm now crosses over.
It should be on. It wasn't on when you handed it to me, but it's on now. It's been on.
For you tonight.
Unofficial reports of some funnel clouds.
Okay, stop. We're far enough away now.
Reed, not official.
Joe, please, we're okay.
Strong tornado, Reed.
I know, we're okay.
The public,
we were fine.
It is in the Podunk area, seeing some.
Reed, we were way too fucking close there.
Right in that Podunk area.
Oh my God, Nick, you should look up. Don't get in an accident. Just keep going backwards. Look behind. Keep looking behind you too. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, we're good. We're a ways away. Okay, we're a ways away. It's moving a little bit right.
Storm out of harm's way.
Okay, hold on.
4 miles south of 51 and 60.
Listen to the roar! I got it. structures. Oh no! No! Wow! Can you hear that? Don't move! Wow! Oh my God, look at it! Hey Joel, do we put a tape in here?